That reflection in the mirror drives me crazy. But whatever, I'm just not gonna look at it. Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. Since it's going to be springtime on March 20th, I thought of doing a Apple Watch band spring haul. That's why we're here. In February, I was not really bored, but there was a day that I was really excited for springtime and summertime. I'm like, how about a springtime collection haul? Or a spring haul. A couple of packages arrived in the past couple of weeks. Those are the bands that I ordered for my Apple Watch band here. And if you have not watched my Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing, you can find it somewhere down in the description box. I've searched what the colors for springtime, though I know it's gonna be like green because of the trees are turning green again, lively color, yellow, lavender, every color in the world. It will come out in the springtime, kind of putting colors into my Apple Watch here. So I found a color palette and I made this palette as my inspiration for this Apple Watch band haul. I also bought a organizer. Since we need an organizer, I just throw my bands on my drawer here. This is a good day for us to do some organizing too. If you guys are interested on the colors that I found on Amazon and watch me organize my Apple Watch bands, just keep on watching. So this is going to be in random order since we got 4 packages. We're gonna start with a small one here. Let's see what this is. This is the Solo. Let's just call it Apple Watch bands, although it's not an Apple Watch band. This is the affordable version of the Solo loop, and I don't know if there is a pink sand on the Solo loops. Let's take it off from the plastic here. And I forgot how much I bought this. It's so thin. Oh, it's weird. Feels like jelly. Ugh. Weird. Our wrist here is so tiny. So let's test this. It's a little bit loose, man. I could just put this up a little bit here. So it's not right here. And yeah, it's not moving anymore. Pink sand is always like a nice color for a girl like me. I'm a woman. Matches our nails. So for the price on this one, since it's super thin, yeah, you get what you pay for. It smells a little bit plasticky, but not too strong. So I want to start unboxing the organizer here because I already have one available band, and here it is. It's big. Oh god. There's 2 boxes actually here. Yeah, we're gonna unbox that after this. Box. It looks like this. Thank you for purchasing my product and supporting my small business. Oh, it is a small business. You're welcome. If you have any problems with this product, email me and I will help you. Cool. So fun. Look at his letter. Upside down.
And he has smiley too.
Here is the organizer. There. And the inside is like this. So let's put this one somewhere here. So along with the organizer that I bought, in that box I also got a 12-pack sport band. Let's look what's inside. I'm gonna start opening it and trying it out. It's so fun. Let's start with this color right here. Looks pretty. Let's take this off. I think for smaller wrists, this is not good. Let's put it right in here. This looks like the color of the trees in springtime. Do you guys like it? And I have a natural lighting, by the way. Pretty. I don't have this color. Maybe kind of gray-ish color. Let's try it on. I like this color. Love. I put it in here. This color, springy color. You can see in my dress here that I have a little bit of green. I think those are the leaves of I think those are the leaves of the flower, so perfect. I can call this as the green ash color according to the palette. Looks good. So I moved the gray into here because this seems like same color. We're gonna continue on our 12th pack here. I still have 9 colors. I got a lavender lighter shade of the amethyst orchid. Yeah, so that it could be a periwinkle. Periwinkle. That's a cute name. Periwinkle. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's not that bright. It kind of went all the way up to here, so what matters is I can see the colors well and I can easily find the color that I want. I got the, ooh, this looks like pink sand. Let's get our pink sand solo loop here and compare it. Like in the lavenderish side, and this is in the pink side. But they did not give names of these colors on the Amazon seller where I found this watch bands, so yeah, I'm just giving them names here. It really looks like a pink sand. Ooh, I have a iPhone 11 Pro Max, I guess. Pink sand. We can compare that. So this is the solo loop and it claimed that it is a pink sand, but it is not even close. This is like in the purple side. But this one right here, they're actually kind of close. Pink sand is like in a lighter shade of pink, but it's not their pink. If you're a pink sand lover, you know what I meant. The updated organizer. So we're gonna go to the yellow side. In the lighting here, if the light is behind, it looks kind of bright, but just by looking at it like this, it's so muted yellow. It looks good with Minnie Mouse there. I took the stainless steel out of this organizer because it's too heavy and it's just giving me problems here. Another gray here? It's not, because this is super gray and this is in like a lighter side of gray. White, but it's in the yellow gray side. As I was looking at this more, this looks like a buttercream. It's kinda in the yellowish side, yellowish gray side. It looks like white actually, but it's not. Updated organization. Few more. This is in the coral side. It is called burnt coral. So the coral is burnt. Let's try it here. The burnt coral next to the pink sand here. Next colors right here is not so much fun, but I'm still gonna show you guys. White. I put the white next to our gray here. This is super annoying. Well, let's put this under there. There you go. Yeah. Black. Blue. And I'll call this as a classic blue. So I organized them by colors here. This is from black, blue, and then green, and then this is white to pink colors and stuff. So. And our last not fun color from the 12-pack band. How? It's like khaki or something. There's my khaki. Oh, the updated organizer here, except this annoying thing. So I got my lighter ones and then black, blue, green, and so on. This is the third package. Huh. It says it is a nylon band. And they got a card here. I'm gonna start on the darkest one. And it works. It's my size, and I like it that it's lightweight, but we're gonna move this, take it off, and adjust it. Let's put this side up on this way so that it's going that way. This one here, this one here. That way. Velcro also is kinda like the real one. It's really nice. Cool. Again, my wrist is 14 millimeters. Let's go to the red one here. It's always going that way. Not this way, but going that way. That way. And red. Ooh, this could be the warm red, clear red actually. Maybe. There's the Velcro. We have the green one here. Biscay green. Maybe. It's so easy to click in there. And the last nylon is this white nylon. If I don't like the other white silicone one, I'll just use this like when swimming. And you'll know that you're on the right side because it will click. But if it's in the other side, it will not come through. And you can wash this with your clothes actually. It's kind of cool because it's so lightweight and it will get dry easily. Those are our so those are our 4 nylon bands. This is the last one, and I think there's only one in here, and I now know what it is. Oh, there's 2. So I got solo loops here. Now that I have tried the first solo loop, I'm not really excited about this, but let's still try it. Start with this one here. It's the same feel of the other one, the pink sand. And again, it's gonna be loose on me. Oh wait, it's not going to be loose. It's loose. I could just put this right in here, but it's super loose. This is a really nice color. Wow, these are bright. The same color. Wait, it must be a lighter shade, probably. It might be the same, I don't know. I really love the colors, guys, because it's kind of like a summery color. The next one here is this color, light yellow gold. Or yellow gold. See, it's so loose. Okay, the next one here is a red one. A true red. Like my blankie here. Big. I don't know if the watch can read my heart rate if this is up here. I don't think it's reading it. Oh, it can still read. So I wish it's like this. A little bit tighter. And the last one of the solo loop is the pink sand. It's too bumpy. It is loud downstairs. Too bumpy. It can't. So yeah. This can be returned. So I have the rest of my Apple Watch band here and mixture with affordable ones and the real Apple Watch bands. I'm gonna try organize my Apple Watch band here, and I'm just gonna pick colors right here that could fit with the spring stuff here. I'm gonna show you when we're done. Here it is. So I made it kind of like black, the darker one, light blue, and this is the dark green, yellow, light yellow, and then gray, fuchsia, the clementine, and the lightest. I love this organizer, and finally I can just look at my bands and just pick one. It's super nifty. You can see your bands right there, and you can just grab what color you want for the day. Kind of nice to see them like that. And I might order another ones once I love this one. If you guys are interested with these products right here, I will be linking it down in the description box as always. If you guys want me to do a Apple Watch band collection, just comment down below and I'd gladly make that for you or make that video. And hopefully these colors right here help you decide what you want for the springtime color of bands if you are planning to get some colors for the springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!